Ladies and gentlemen, and budget phone lovers across Nigeria and beyond, what if I tell you that with just 115,000 naira, you could hold the phone that looks like an iPhone 16? Yes, comes with another 15, punch-hole display, Ara Blaster, and wait for it, it has IP64 water resistance. No, you're not dreaming. It's called the Tecno Pop 10, and every 20,000 naira phone is going to have mental health issue because of this little guy. Now, let's break it down. We're not going to do those boring specs today. We are going to talk about vibes, value, and whether this little guy is a jollof rice or a bar of a budget phone. So, stick around. Let's start with what hits first, the looks. Tecno wasn't playing around here. I mean, have you seen this phone? It really rocks the iPhone 16 vibe with flat edge design, punch-hole camera, and a glossy back that screams premium. Until when you touch it and say, hey, plastic, my old friend. But for this price, Omoni design can pull babes at the gas station. Don't say I didn't warn you. Side-mounted fingerprint scanner? Check. Clean punch-hole design? Check. And it even comes with stereo speaker. Tecno, how are you doing this on a budget? Tell us your secret. Wait, 120Hz refresh rate? For how much, Kwano? Yeah, you heard that right. The Techno Pop 10 is spotted with a 6.67-inch HD Plus LCD screen with 120Hz refresh rate. Bruh, this is something you usually see on a 200,000 naira plus smartphones. Your screen is going to feel smoother than a fresh haircut on a salary day. Colors, decent. Brightness, usable under the sun. But don't expect AMOLED level on the Pop. Still, for this money, it's given. Oh, and a punch-hole display on a budget phone when everybody else is doing a water drop notch, like if we are in 2019. But Tecno said no more. For the performance, Unisoc said, hold your soya. This bad guy is powered by Unisoc T7250. Yes, not the usual tired 606 we usually see on budget phones. This one can actually work and chew gum at the same time. With 3GB of RAM plus expandable under 15 and iOS, basic multitasking is a breeze. YouTube, WhatsApp, TikTok, Chrome, name it, all runs smooth on this device. But don't punch your logs with Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile on this device because those ones are for rich kids. But for light gaming like Candy Crush, Software Surfer, it runs fine. Facebook aunties approve. You can rock this very well. Banking apps, online classes, and how to make 1 million naira in a week on YouTube. I didn't say that. You didn't hear me say that. Are all covered with this performance. For software, as I said earlier, this device runs on under 15, which means you get a better background app support, smarter security, and a clean iOS with minimal breakaways. For the RAM, it can be expanded to 6GB of RAM. You also have gestures control, app freezing, and an Ara Blaster to control your TV. Yes, for the price, it doubles as a universal remote. And for Samsung users, you can relate to this. You know now. For the camera segment, let's get real. Camera is not where the budget smartphone shines. The Pop 10 comes with 30 megapixel for the main camera and 8 megapixel for selfie camera. In daylight, your photos will look Instagrammable as long as you don't try to zoom it in. For your OOTDs, birthday shots, and spicy TikTok videos, you can achieve that with this camera. So guys, take a look at the sample images I've shot and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now, let's boil down to the battery life. This is where Tecno said, let's flex more. You're getting a 5000 mAh battery that can easily take you through a whole day of heavy use and still says, boss, what next? Streaming, chatting, and taking 4 million selfies, the Pop 10 battery is a weapon. And you can even use it to settle the fight between NEPA and PSCN. For charging, it comes with 15 watts in the box. Isn't super fast, but you can plug it while you sleep or just watch one movie. Now, comparing this to the Techno Pop 10C, the Techno Pop 10 right here comes with under 15, Ara Blaster, IP64, punch-hole design, 120Hz refresh rate, stereo speaker, and all of this for just around 115,000 naira. While for the Pop 10C, you're getting under 14, the tired Unisoc T606, no IR Blaster, no IP ratings, and it costs around 25,000 naira to 100,000 naira. So our usual, or what we all been waiting for, who is the Techno Pop 10 for? Let's be real, the Techno Pop 10 is for students who need a dependable phone that does not embarrass them in class. And check them now, this iPhone 16, no caps. It also for hustlers who want vibe without going broke. For parents who are looking for a secondary phone with good battery. More on the list is for first-time smartphone buyers who want a full smartphone experience on a budget. And lastly, for anyone who wants to turn on their TV with their phone like a boss. So, is the Techno Pop 10 the ultimate budget scheme? For the price, I would say, yeah. It got the features, it got the looks, and it even thinks it's a flagship. Now, tell me in the comments, will you pick the Techno Pop 10 over the Infinix Smart 10? Let's argue like it's fried rice and jollof rice down there, you know now. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video. Most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye and bye.